If you're looking for a quick and easy way to collect data and instantly build dashboards, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to do both in just a few minutes. And trust me, it's simpler than you think. To get started, let's talk about collecting data. The key here is to connect your data sources to your dashboarding tool. And for that, we're using a software that makes it effortless. Whether it's from spreadsheets, databases, or even APIs, our software can pull all that data in for you automatically. No manual updates required. Simply link your data source, and the software will keep everything in sync. Now, once your data is connected, the next step is to visualize it with a dashboard. Our software gives you drag and drop tools that make building a professional dashboard ridiculously easy. You don't need to be a designer or developer to get the visuals you need. Just select the data you want to visualize and choose from pre-built templates, or create your own. You can pull in graphs, charts, tables, and more, all customizable to your liking. Here's where it gets cool. Once you've collected your data and set up your dashboard, the software can instantly update your visuals as the data changes. This real-time capability means you'll always have up-to-date insights with minimal effort. It's a game changer for decision-making. Imagine not having to manually track numbers or create charts every time your data shifts. Now here's the best part. If you want to follow along with this process, I've arranged an exclusive free trial for the software we're using today. It's available only to my viewers, so check out the link in the description to get started for free. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? Data collection and dashboard creation don't have to be a time-consuming headache. With the right software, it can be quick and automated. Here's a quick revision of what we covered. Start by connecting your data sources to our software. Then, use its drag and drop tools to build a dashboard that automatically updates in real time. And don't forget, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description so you can get started today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the link for the free trial. Catch you in the next one.